Hi, in this video you can learn 5 very simple Tai Chi body moves that are easy to remember and easy to do anywhere at any time. Tai Chi helps us have healthy body, positive mind and high spirit. Even a practice of just few minutes a day with these body moves and breath work is enough to feel good through life. I learned these basic body moves from Leia Cohen, a Tai Chi master. So we start with the first one. It's called flying. Keep your feet together. Take a breath in, and like a bird, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. You can extend your knees a little bit when taking a breath in and bend them a little bit when taking a breath out. Take a breath in and breathe out. Then we make a little step. You put the feet like the distance of your shoulders and the hands are going up. Take a breath in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. This one, it's called the ocean tide. Like the water goes up, take a breath in and goes down. Breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Then we go to the third one. It's called divine love. We hug a tree and breathe out. Breathe in and open your heart to divine love. Breathe out and hug the tree, root to earth. It's a very stable position. And from here, you take a breath in and you open your heart. Open your heart to receive. Open your heart to give. Open your heart to love. Exhale and hug the beautiful tree. Inhale and open. Breathe out. Hug the tree. Bend your knees a little bit. And breathe in to open. Open to divine love. And go back to the tree. Breathe out. And then to the fourth one. We step with a little angle and we become in a very stable position, like a surfer's position. And this one is called the wave. You take a breath in when the wave is coming and breathe out when the wave is going away. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Imagine a beautiful wave rolling in and going out. You push, you breathe out. You go back to the tree. We step with an angle in the other direction and do the wave again. Take a breath in and breathe out. All these body moves you can do with closed eyes or open eyes. It's how you feel. Breathe out when the wave is going away, and breathe in when the wave is coming. Breathe out. Inhale and exhale. We go back to the tree in a very stable, strong position. And from here we go to the fifth one. It's called the Qi flow. One hand goes under and the other one stays up. And you imagine a ball of energy between your hands. Take a breath in, make the ball bigger, go around it, and breathe out. Breathe in, imagine you're holding the sun, and breathe out. You're holding the earth. Breathe in, and breathe out. This is how we can easily imagine the Qi energy that is everywhere. It's called Qi, Chi, Ji, Prana. It's everywhere around us, it's in us, and we can concentrate it in this ball between our hands. Take a breath in and breathe out. All of these exercises you can do just 3 or 4 times, and it's enough. But if you do it more, it's better. Whatever time you have, however you feel, important is to do it every day. But if you miss, no problem. You do it another time. It's just so good to do it. Breathe out and breathe in. Breathe out. Then we put our feet together again. I finish with a little prayer, just being grateful for everything. Thank you.